Hey everybody, in my crock pot I have chicken tinola. It's chicken with sayote, garlic, and onion. It's a soup that I cooked earlier today and I'm just keeping it warm, and later I'm going to add spinach to it. So this will be my dinner. It's keeping warm in my Hello Kitty crock pot. It smells so delicious. I would love to attack it right now, but I'm patient. If you hear something in the background, that's my laundry. I'm washing my blankets. So yeah, so this is chicken tinola, keeping warm in my crock pot. And like I said, I like small items. Since it's just me and my two cats, I don't need big items. Since small items, they don't take up any space at all. And I'm about to have a snack, banana. So yeah, that's gonna be dinner. Chicken tinola with brown rice and soy milk. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. And I suggest, if it's just you living by yourself, get small items since they don't take up space. I even have a small toaster oven. Not that one, I got a smaller one. I got my small air fryer. Like I said, I love small items. Take care, God bless, be safe, and have a great day.